what's up guys? In today's video we're going to be installing a beautiful little patio. It's going to be a little bit different video. You see this? This is where the patio is going to go. I actually wasn't here to put all this like the stone down, but we have to do a little bit more over there. And yeah, so we're going to be putting all these bricks. Are going to be patio right there. There's going to be a giant fire pit in the middle. Right where that stake is, there's going to be a fire pit. There's going to be a pretty little walkway and all that. Guys, midlife update. It's gonna take our whole life just finish this. But yeah, we got all that little bit of stone laid on. You guys seen on the time lapse. But now we have to raise this up. We have to have that 25A and that. What the heck is that called? I think it's 16A anyway. But yeah, that has to be level and all that good stuff. Yeah, we're gonna go back to time lapse. So now I just got done using the packer to pack all that. That's 25/8. That looks like this. Now we are getting chipstone, which is little itty bitty babies. It's that crushed up into its smaller brother. That's what the paver's gonna lay on. That's what the whole patio is gonna look like. That's gonna be a seating wall right there. It's gonna be a little fire pit. The whole thing's gonna go. Yeah. So now he's getting a scoop of chipstone, and then we're gonna. Basically the same thing. We're not gonna pack it. It's just gonna stay. Yep. And then yeah. So he's getting the scoop of that. We'll catch you guys on a time lapse probably.
I'm trying to get ready over here while you're doing that. Oh, things will get tight.
These bricks are kind of like this color. They're kind of pretty, but then I don't know what them are. Same color. But yeah, that's gonna go off of that, and we're gonna do all that, and yes, yeah, so that's gonna be fine. And then that's where the fire pit's gonna go. But from, let's see, here, yeah, see it. To here is gonna be like a seating wall. It's gonna be a wall on top of the patio, like you guys will see later in the video. But yeah, so we're gonna catch you guys. We're gonna catch you guys back on the time lapse, and I'm actually gonna be. Looking good. Looks good enough. I guess he's got it figured out. I can't do that. Save my life. Alright guys, kind of like a midlife update. We go, and we got to add more chipstone over there, like I just told you guys a minute ago. And then we can keep going, then the fire ring is going to go right where that stake is at, and we're going to have to cut around, and there's going to be a barrier and a seating wall. Yeah, so we're just going to try to figure out this pattern, and yeah, we'll probably go back to the time lapse. we're actually done for the day. So, but we got basically the whole patio laid. We only got that much to do, and it's not that much. We basically got the whole thing laid. So now we have to run down to get the fire pit and all the bricks for the fire pit. That's where the fire pit's gonna go. And yeah, we'll catch you guys. I might do a video in the truck. I don't know. So if this is the end, bye. Morning. I'm tired. What's your name? Anyways, this is day 2. Pretty much got all that done. We just showed up. It's kind of late because it's really cold outside. You gotta have gloves on. But yeah, so hold on. There we go. Anyway, so I'm gonna start on the pattern and try to. We just gotta finish this. We gotta go out, around, and then yeah. So all that's gonna be done. And yeah, so we'll catch you guys in the time lapse. So, as you guys can see, that what we're laying right now is going to be the seating wall. But what I was just doing, as you guys see on the time lapse, was the wood. It was the black bricks that went around the patio. That's kind of like a two-tone, I guess. Well, that's what I was doing. Now these giant thing will be the seating wall. That's what I'm putting in the bucket. So, yeah, we'll go back to time lapses now. We have to go buy more of these. This is gonna be a seating wall. There's gonna be, let's see, there's gonna be 4, actually 5 more. So there's 2 more on top of this one. But now we got to put the fire ring in. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty fun. I gotta go get all the stuff out the trailer, but we're just not gonna. I don't think we're gonna cut it in. We're just gonna kind of set it and see what it's gonna look like. But yeah, this is all the. You guys see on the time lapse there, I put on all the. This is I think called the border, and then seating wall, and then yeah. So we'll probably just go back to time lapse on. Good morning. It's day 3. But it's day 3 of working anyway. It's like day 65 of trying to get it done. But yeah. so it's day 4. I know I'm wearing the same clothes, but I wash them. I have like 75 pair of these sweatshirts. But yeah, this is day 4. Yesterday you see me put the seating wall in, but now we're gonna cap that, and we're gonna cap that fire pit, and I'm gonna go get the tractor and we're gonna load up the layer. So we'll see you guys whenever we start cutting.